癖がすごいわ。
Looking for the bearded man, because the man with the beard has a criminal mind. They're looking for the bearded man in the window. They got the force of the CIA, the big computer and satellite relay. You find a sketch on the back of your drink, and in the pocket of your local fig. But the stranger has disappeared. Looks like there never really was any beard. Suddenly everyone is dangerous and mad, cause you could grow a beard just like that. And now on every news feed and the press release, they're looking for the bearded man. You might be a terrorist, they're looking for the bearded man in the window. Release, they're looking for the bearded man, because the man with the beard has a criminal mind. They're looking for the bearded man in the window. Driver got distracted and as soon as I got in an accident, and the scatter shook his self-defense, lost his memory at any expense, and then the witnesses went on to describe that in the window was a bearded guy. Now on the radio, TV, and the press release, they're looking for the bearded man, because the man with the beard has a criminal mind. They're looking for the bearded man in the window. Of the CIA, the big computer and satellite relay. You find a sketch on the back of your drink, and in the pocket of your local fig. But the stranger has disappeared. Looks like there never really was any beard. Suddenly everyone is dangerous and mad, cause you could grow a beard just like that. And now on every news feed and the press release, they're looking for the bearded man. He might be a terrorist, they're looking for the bearded man in the window. Release, they're looking for the bearded man, because the man with the beard has a criminal mind. They're looking for the bearded man in the window.
Uptown shit. Real street shit.
I step up on this Jersey track and let my weight go. If I was talking gang shit, it'd probably break though. I spit that real street shit, they got a safe flow. Robberies and stick-ups and how I take dough. How I got the bricks but couldn't hit the safe though. How his chest on but he ain't got his face though. The one that tell you that he's really probably fake That one that tell you that he's really probably fake I'm with these known shooters, they ain't with the talking. And if war's what you want, them cannons get the barking. Long clips, big choppers, and them bitches sparking. My niggas hungry in the streets, they'll take your portion. I just try to keep it simple, with a faux nickel. But I know some real shooters that don't tote pistols. A-Rab money, yeah, they toting missiles. And they ain't with that bullshit, so don't move a gristle. I bet my nigga $20, he blow you like a whistle. Boy was getting out of line, so he got his issue. Now ain't need a fucking coffin, no guys, no tissue. Blew his fucking face off, man, mom can't kiss you. 10 niggas with me, that's 11 niggas shooting. Was talking shit to G's, real fucking stupid. His mama crying out my baby, his body ain't moving. Hoes all up in his face, closed casket, no viewing. You pussies, I gotta get it how I live, yeah, that ain't the question. I told this game I need a plug, I hope she got the message. This shit is risky, but a nigga need a new connection. Yeah, I'm in this fast lane and can't change direction. If it ain't about the money, I ain't fucking with it. Money on my mind, bitch, so mind your fucking business. Cause my fingers be itching, and you know I ain't missing. And plus I'm dumping on site with 2020 vision gang. I step up on this Drizzy track and let my weight go. If I was talking gang shit, it'd probably break though. I spit that real street shit, they got a safe flow. Robberies and stick-ups and how I take dough. How I got the bricks but couldn't hit the safe though. How his chest on but he ain't got his face though. The one that tell you that he's really probably fake though. That one that tell you that he really probably fake though.
I'm trying to find a time to write a real 16 and let the hood go beyond your means. Cause I done been a lot of places, probably done passed through your scene. I stay humble with no shoulder to lean. My home's no physical places, everything that I dream. And when I wake up all I see is the scheme. So I turn to the cream while you lying supreme. I don't need no game, I don't need no team. All I need is my son, I'ma get my funds. Knock that one track mind, unless that one track mind. All my niggas divine, we ain't wasting no time. We going to get that green. Yeah, we off on the scene and we be playing it mean. For you hating ass niggas that be off on the team, we don't give a fuck about you, plus we look at you mean. Cause we know you niggas trying to scheme.
I step up on this Drizzy track and let my weight go. If I was talking gang shit, it'd probably break though. I spit that real street shit, they got a safe flow. Robberies and stick-ups and how I take dough. How I got the bricks but couldn't hit the safe though. How his chest on but he ain't got his face though. The one that tell you that he's really probably fake though. That one that tell you that he really probably fake though.